Hello guys, it's a beautiful Monday morning and it's going to be a very good week for each and every one of us. Okay guys, it is the time for the trending market. Okay, we will be checking out the trending market, the assets that can be traded in this week, and of course we'll be checking them one after the other on the higher time frame and see what to go on. What to do whenever we are trading any of these assets. Okay, this is very important, and it is very important for you to watch the video to the end so that you can have a kind of guide for yourself throughout this week, most especially for those of you that are having the 3M trend milker trading indicator. Then that will help you to milk the market successfully for a very long time. So guys, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time it's just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course guys, make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, like I said, we will be analyzing the markets one after the other. These are the assets, okay, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on higher time frame. Okay, so you need to be able to balance within the higher and the lower time frame very well before you start trading. This is very important. Okay, so and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me through the comment section. You can drop your questions right there. You can give your suggestion, your opinion in the comment section. We can trade that together so that others can also learn from you. But if you have a personal question, or probably you want to ask more about my trading tools, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Just like you guys have known, I won't share my details on the comment section. So if you see anyone asking you to send money to you on this comment section, that's not me. Okay, I won't share my details and I will not ask you to do that on the comment section. Okay, so if you want my contact details, check the description box below this video and you will get have access to my contact details. Then you can contact me directly that way. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. I believe this week is going to be a beautiful week, and of course we need to know where to how to strategize. And before we can strategize, we need to know where to focus on in order for us to make some cool profit for ourselves at the end of the day. That is how to map out our trading activities right from the beginning of the week. So let's move on to the chart right away so that we will understand how to go about it. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 and I've taken it out up to the daily time frame. You can see so many trading activities has really gone on, gone through using this day, from this session right here. Okay, this has been on a very strong downtrend and it has been so for weeks. Okay, it started somewhere around here, and even though there are pullbacks in between, here was a major pullback, and of course it still went down and down, breaking out from support zone, and it kept on going down and down and down till it got to this region. So right now it is at a major support zone, even though it is still selling at the moment. You can still see it selling, but today it is trying to pull back at the moment, even though it started with a bearish candle, but it is trying to pull back at the moment. If you should check the last 4-hour time frame, you will notice that that was a bullish candle right here. So that's it. So let's go back to daily time frame, but on daily time frame it is still more of a bearish candle because it has spent more hours creating a bearish or selling at that particular point. Okay, but it is pulling back at the moment because it is at around the support zone. We don't know if it will go back into a full uptrend at the moment. Okay, so let's go into the weekly time frame to see what is happening on the weekly time frame. That will help us to know where the market is actually heading to, okay, because it has gone to the down part of the daily time frame. Of course, guys, as you can see, I would like to change the trend line. Okay, let me just try to reduce the size of the trend line so that we can map that out very well. Okay, so we will understand what we're talking about. Actually, this will still be selling for a very long time. Okay, of course, we expect it to get to this region first before we can have a major pullback. Okay, so when it gets to this region, then it's most likely for it to pull back a bit, or even though we are still expecting it to get to this level down here before we can have more pullbacks. I mean, we can have a total reversal in price action. Okay, before we can have a total reversal in price action. Okay, so that is very, very important because it has really gotten deep down on the daily time frame, and right now we are using the weekly time frame to do our analysis right now. Okay, so we expect it to get to this region first, even if there is going to be a pullback, a major pullback. Okay, if it gets here and if there is a major pullback, it tries it out again. Once it breaks out from there, then this is the next place for it to go. Okay, guys, we might still be experiencing more of a downtrend in this week than an uptrend. Okay, more of a downtrend in this week than an uptrend. Then the next is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Still on daily time frame. Let's check it out, guys. So right here I'm on daily time frame, and of course we will be checking out what is happening. If you should check it out around there, the market is consolidating around there, and it has been doing so for days. Has not been able to break out above this resistance zone, and it has not been able to go below the support zone. So which means this might be giving us more of the bullish pattern in this week than a bearish pattern if it does not break out below this support zone, because we are experiencing more of the bullish pattern within this ranging period. So quickly, let's see the 4-hour time frame. You can see that right on the 4 hours time frame for the last 12 hours, it has been, I mean, a major part of the last 16 hours has been more of a bullish pattern than a bearish pattern. Just the last 4 hours that is still counting at the moment is the one that is giving us a bearish pattern, which is kind of pullback from this resistance zone, and of course it might go back into it again and try out the resistance zone to see if it will break out from there. Actually, this is ready to go back into an uptrend, so this should be giving us more of an uptrend than a downtrend in this week, most especially once it breaks out above the resistance zone. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. Let's check that out quick. This is crash 1000, and this is still very strong on downtrend. Okay, just the way we are saying it, it just broke out from this resistance zone, I mean from this support zone, and of course it's still going down. Let me go to a weekly time frame so that we can see what is happening right there. Wow, this is too jam packed. Okay, so let me just try and delete some horizontal lines so that we can have a clearer look. Okay, I think this is cool enough. Let me take it backward. Okay, I will have to take it backward. Okay, guys, this is still selling at the moment. This is still more of a downtrend. It is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend, guys. It has really gone deep, guys. It has really gone deep, even though I expect it to start pulling back any moment from now. I expect it to start pulling back any moment from now, but it just broke out from another support zone, so it's going to go down for a while before going back into an uptrend. Okay, so for now it is still on downtrend. This might not be for a very long time before it will go back into a full uptrend. This is very important. Okay, it is on downtrend at the moment because it just broke out from that support zone, so it should be selling more. Okay, but at the moment it has gotten to a stage whereby it should go back into a buy trend. Okay, So that is why we expect it to go back fully into buy trend any moment from now. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. So guys, this is crash 500, still on daily time frame, and I'm still using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. So guys, for those of you on the Telegram channel, we will be updating the Telegram channel with some trading activities today, so do not forget to join us today. Okay, I'll try as much as possible to create some good time for us today so that we can see how we can milk the market together using the 3M trend Milka indicator. So if you're having the 3M trend Milka indicator, stay tuned and let's trade together, guys. Let's trade together. So let's see how we can milk the markets with this strategy. Okay, so right here, this is still giving us more of today it is giving us more of a bullish pattern, even though it is pulling back at the moment. Okay, even though it is pulling back at the moment, but if you should go to 4-hour time frame, you can see the last 8 hours, a major part of it was on bullish pattern. Then the other part of it, which is the current 4 hours that is going on, is still giving us a bearish pattern, even though this might even spike up any moment from now. Okay, so if this missed out on if it's missed out on this region, okay, if it's didn't spike up any moment from now, then definitely it shouldn't miss out from here. Okay, it shouldn't miss out from here. Okay, so it might be going back on a bullish pattern any moment from now. Okay, it might be going back on a bullish pattern any moment from now, even though at the moment it is still giving us more of a bearish candle. So if it's sells till it gets to this region, then definitely it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so for now this is still more of a downtrend at the moment, but it might not be for a very long time, probably tomorrow or thereabouts. Okay, it might go, it's most likely for it to go into an uptrend. Okay, so you should look out for that. Check out where I marked out to see if it has gotten there. If it sells till it get to this region and it is not breaking out from here, then definitely it should start the bullish pattern right from there. If not today, then that will be tomorrow or next. Okay, so that is very, very important, so you can use this as a proper guide for yourself. So the next asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75, and let's do that together. Okay, this is volatility 75. This is daily time frame. This has been on downtrend from here. You can see it kept on selling, even though there are ranging periods, there are pullbacks in between, but it sold more than the way it buys. Okay, but when it got to this support zone, it was unable to break through. Okay, so it went back into an into an uptrend, and of course, even though it is still ranging within this period, once it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more, and we expect it to get to this place before it has a major pullback right from there, before it still try to move on till it get to this resistance zone again. Okay, so this is very, very important. Once you understand this, then you can be in the market for a very long time. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of an uptrend than a downtrend, more of an uptrend than a downtrend. So guys, these are what we are able to come up with today, and of course I believe this should be a kind of proper guide for you guys in order for you to have a successful trading week. All you just need to do is just to understand every condition added to the trading activities that is going on, the analysis that I have dished out in this video, and of course make sure you follow instructions and make sure you are able to balance between the lower time frame and the higher time frame, because any little pullback on higher time frame can be a total reversal on lower time frame. This is very, very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.